Probability distributions for graphic display calculator. 3. Inverse normal. Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show how to use the inverse normal distribution function using CASIO fx-CG50. Switch on your calculator, pressing AC button. Press the menu key to open the main menu, then move the cursor or press 2 to select the statistics function. In this video, we are going to solve the following question. X is a random variable that is normally distributed with a mean 0 and standard deviation 1. Find the lower and upper boundaries of X when the probability is 0.6826 located symmetrically around the mean. Press F5 to select distribution. Press F1 to select the normal distribution. Press F3 to select inverse normal. Press F2 to set data to variable. And for the tail, press F3 to select central. The area is a probability, so enter 0.6826. Sigma is 1 and mu is 0. Press execute to work out the value. The lower value of x is -1 and upper is 1. In this video, we have shown how to use the inverse normal distribution function. Graphic display calculator as easy as pie.